When it comes to after dark night trolling, there's really two key things that I concentrate on as far as presenting our baits. Number one is definitely speed. I'm really just fishing by feel, so if I'm going with the current, I'm going to be going a little bit faster just to feel my bait working perfectly. If I'm going into some current, my ground speed's going to be slower, but my bait's still going to feel the same way on my rod tip. So generally when I'm pulling it forward, it feels about as heavy in my hand, and that's kind of how I determine my speed. The other most important part is boat position. So I always have my Lowrance side screen on, a full screen, and what I'm doing there is I like to get the inside line right along a rock to sand edge. That inside line can just be ticking the rocks. And then another way I use it is if I mark some fish, say to my left 20 feet, I'll actually turn the boat so our long line crankbaits can intersect those fish. Next time you're trolling after dark, don't concentrate so much on what the speed is on your graph, but more of how that bait feels in your hand and then how fast your boat is moving across the water.